Soko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho murigereria mbiyamana soko choregeta seni kiago gien Soko TV se obutko boiga boikome na gatano omotinyuga oikome na rimo mwaka wechiri ubere 25 kurwa sobo gatagati bumucho Nairobi asensi ya Kenya ensa neyamo ya bono botuko na kwariganira senchira ya bena semesa ya maya kurwa Soko asenchira yobo ikeno nchengoro kwa Clinton ndigi asiribaga ria bakombwata syo butko bwarero ochiya kone kya buna amalyo gine chibicha ngugo chirara senchira rengi ya kurwa se studio ya kabere tugosaba oikaransoike obena intukurbono oika omwere asekeria mesema ya kurwa Soko ensemo achakire bono. Karibu sana mwancho murigeria inyorabo igona boko bwatia hamaya igakurwa ensoko wetera se mitandao hito yekerero ya Facebook na YouTube. Nabono togo chaka kurwa se akaunti ya Kitui asomora ibwense ya Kenya una enchira ya moyo kugandria etaro yaye ya magendro sense moyo ukambani niko litukori rero aumirana negatia bananchi na boigo abaraya senyombenke yoborai hase kaunti yo asagendra kuraria na kuigerera meroberio ya serikali na asaruro kuboria uchia saba bananchi na boigo abarai kuruchinsemo au konekia bunanko bwate sia bale serikali yae iligo chugikirania hobokora liborobia na boiga magendra se chinsemo chonsi.
Nyinyi ndio kuamua kama Kenya itasonga mbele, nyinyi ndio mtasongesha mbele. Ama namna gani? Na ni jukumu letu kama viongozi tuwaeleze vile Kenya inaweza kutoka hapa ifike pale. Nyinyi mumeona what we have done. If you look at what we have done with housing, very small money. Today we have contracts of 600 billion and Kenya is changing. If we continue with housing the way it is going, every city in Kenya, every big town in Kenya, ukienda Kisumu, wende Migori, wende Kapsabet, wende Eldoret, ukuje Nakuru, wende Baringo, ukuje Kitui hii, wende kule Makueni, usimame Machakos. Machakos, by the way, from January, we are doing another 5,000 units pale kwa hiyo city yenu. Wende Mombasa, wende Mandera, Garissa, the largest housing development today ni affordable housing.
Hii nchi yetu itabadilishwa sio kwa maneno, itabadilishwa kwa matendo. Ya pili, hii nchi yetu itabadilishwa sio kwa maneno ya kuleta mchemko wa mambo ya kiukabila. Hii nchi yetu itabadilishwa na utaifa.
Na kushukuru sana Mheshimiwa Rais pia kwa maendeleo ambayo umetuletea hapa. Wewe unafanya maendeleo sana. Na jambo limenifurahisha sana ni kwamba unafanya maendeleo kwa njia ya upesi sana. Ile mtindo wetu tunasema ya chap chap. Barabara inaanza inamalizika upesi, mambo yanaendelea vizuri.
Tutam ni ya watu ama group ya viongozi ambao wako na sera, wako na mpango. Na nilisikia mlisema pia wako na akili ya maendeleo na kazi ya Wakenya. Ni nyinyi mlisema hivyo? Nyinyi ndio mmesema mnataka viongozi wako na akili ya maendeleo. Na Mheshimiwa Rais, nikushukuru sababu umeamua hakuna sehemu ya Kenya itaachwa nyuma.
Mwancho murigeria togos kabosio chinkwana chumurai bwense ichanyara ko baga ko bwatoka kagendretene taro ya sense meyo ya ukambani asoko mochigati ya barai haba ko mocho bokoreri bwe serikali yaye bunatiba bwati muroberio bwa magendro na bwo kwanike go chikora habana nchase amatuko alebosio nigo bono umurayo yo mukuru ase ensemeyo na bwigoro murai wiki makia waipa Mheshimiwa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nigati ya barai bande baesokire na komoche chinkwana icho hasibono basabiro botoeru bwenekiwe hasegati ya barai bage siasa na ande mono kwena na amaskani kerensi ya Kenya gandete kwiroberia bosio bachore bono mwaka bwechirubere 2022
ukawa na anasema mimi ni mjinga. Huenda ikawa ikiwa ni mambo ya kuua vijana wetu majenzi, mimi siwezi kuwaua. Kwa hivyo mimi ni mjinga, sasa siwezi kuwaua. Kama ni kufilisisha nchi, kwa ufisadi wa hali ya juu, mimi ni mjinga kweli, siwezi kufanya hivyo.
Wakati wa kudharau Wakamba umeisha. Hauwezi kuja hapa Ukambani, unakuja unatudharaulia baba yetu. Number one, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka alikuwa Vice President wa Republic ya Kenya. Ni kiongozi anayeshindika Kenya na dunia yote mzima. Hata watu wa dunia wanashangaa ukisema ati Kalonzo ana.
Tukoska bosio mwanchumo rigereria bosio bachorio boke uburo birie kwanekiwa umweri obumotyo gase chinsemo anemo na sensemo ya bunge ya Mbeere North ase county ya Embu na boigo etaro eyukageire gochakiwa ritukoria ankyo no muraibu kiama ya DCP nigo bono egati ya baraikuru ase county eyo bakorogono mo senator we county eyo nigo bamochirie chinkwana chage siasa echabere chikubaborera amaskani una abaraibe county eyo ase bono bamochire musike gashagwa sokone kia siasa chukubaga abananchi na boigo sababu toero kwenekiwa usibo bachorio boboke.
Mr. Gachagua, tulikupembeleza, tulikuomba, tukiwa masenators, tukiwa leaders wa Mount Kenya, na hukutusikia. Kwa hiyo wachana na hii serikali ya William Ruto, kwa hii kipindi membakia, kwa sababu tulikuimpeach, unavaa ukae nyumbani, umalize miaka yako 10, kwa sababu tunajua hata kiti yoyote, hata kiti ya Catron Drip, uwezi pata, na unaenda ukindanganya watu, mambo ya mlima ni wako. Angalia unatupotosa kwa sababu agenda yetu sio mambo ya viti. Saa hii nataka nikukumbushe Mount Kenya miaka yote sisi tukiwa Mount Kenya East tumekuwa tukipeana kura kwa mlima na avuta kupeana imekuwa ni shinda. Kwa hiyo nakuomba ukome
Tukoska bosio mwanchumo rigereria hegati ya barai inse yobomo bokwameria serikali bose United Opposition nigo bono bomera na senka iyo kabero mukwanyu bumuraibu ensomoske Rigathi Gachagua asomwega bukubekerwa egutwa koba umurandia bumurugi bo oyo kabero murai mukwanyu bumuraibu ense Pastor Dorcas Rigathi asabara yabaiga banyariko babakuru kuboria gochiase egati yabarai koene kyabuna nkuru abara maskani gochia sabara ibechi kanisa au na bwego bunenchire ya moyo gochia koene kya omorembe ase amatuko alebosio.
Something tremendous has happened today with your ordination. We congratulate you and celebrate you, and also remind this family that the God of the mountain is still God in the valley.
The whole of this week, we have listened very carefully to how the clergy have addressed public issues in this country. My personal experience is that I've interacted with some of these wonderful people here, and I normally tell people, for us in the secular world, these are very dangerous people because we are going to look for votes from all these people. These ones are ordained by God, and when they speak, we had better listen.
When the ordaining bishop spoke to the reverend after ordaining her, and he said, "You have been called to a high office. There can be no greater calling, and there can be no greater master that you have been called to serve. And you should serve with honor and dignity."
The honor that she's being bestowed today is very gratifying to my family because we have seen her work and work hard. This great woman of God, when we were in office, was so passionate about the boy child. I saw very little of her. I would go to work, she would go to work, we meet in the evening, sometimes she finds me asleep. And when she woke up in the morning, she was just talking about the boy child. Our humiliating exit in office has been very pleasant to us because we have moved on and we are happier people.
This is not work for one person. This is the work of the body of Christ. So when you see us sitting here and wearing our regalia, where we say God reigns in Kenya, we are saying God reigns in Kenya.
Mancho murigaria tugotigana na ayo ekiombe kia abanyagitari bari bokurwaria etwo nigo bono baesokire na kwerero kubwatarana kwabo na serikali yense ya Kenya bunenchire mu chiakonekia obubwenia ase etugo ao hime yense ya Kenya sibasabira batugi gwesokia kwenekia nkubwatarana bare nekiombe kyo herigo chigokora na kurwania amaroire ao ayo akubwatarana netugo gento keirere ogokea kwe rigasa riabane.
We've gathered here today to have this multi-stakeholder meeting, which is bringing together participants who are involved in ruminant vaccination. And the reason we are here today is to look at how we can raise the national ruminant vaccination rate. The government of Kenya has already set some very ambitious targets, and they've shown strong leadership in the proclamation that was given about a year ago of vaccinating 22 million cattle and 50 million sheep and goats. So as government, we are here to support this initiative, and we are calling for collaboration across all parties, across all stakeholders, because we know this is a very important campaign, and no one organization would be able to achieve this ambitious goal without collaborating with other partners. We are calling on the private sector, the government, and anyone else who's involved in international development in the animal health sector, in the livestock sector, to come together to see how we can support this very important initiative. We know very much that livestock are a backbone of Kenya's economy, and we would like to support this very important venture.
KVA, that is Kenya Veterinary Association, we are in partnership with the government and the DVS to deliver the ruminant vaccination across the country.
Some of the countries that we had initially we have not been able to access the markets that actually we lost, and therefore that's why this meeting is very, very important. Without it, I'm very sure that whatever we are trying to do, because right now we are running a program of vaccination that is led by the executive for specifically 2 diseases, that is foot and mouth and PPR.
Mancho murigaria na rayo kurwa semesa ya ama ya kurende tokwira na asensemo ya kabere nkomanya mange ase ensemo ya chigosari toskare. Togoso asensemo ya chigosari bono mancho murigaria bunenchire yamo yo kwinyoria na kubwato ko bosemia gochia saba na inchi higoro yoboroire bwenyamoreo nigo bone kiombeke mogitari ye serikali kyanyara ko bakegwesokia na kuriye kubwatarana ne serikali bunenchire yamo yo kwarigania humoyiga bwechigosori wa maminyoko na boigo hegati yemega yende ye chigosori na boigo kubeke kambi iyo bobwenia omweri obumutienyo iga segeti ye chigosori Kyanyayo Stadium ase county ya Nairobi andemo na sekerenga yo kubarenga abasae na boigo kubasemia unenchire mu yokobeke meroberio yo gwetanga kubwatiraniwa no borero boiga bwenyamoreo.
HIV infections in adults by the year 2030. We were joined by the PS. Dr. Omar Luga was here with us earlier, and he launched this process. So we welcome Kenyans from all walks of life. On the 30th, we will have the national commemoration at Nyayo National Stadium, and that national commemoration will be an event for all people, for all for all ages and all people of all walks of life. We'll have a 2-kilometer race, which is a family run for families to come and walk or run or race towards the goal of ending AIDS as a public health threat. We'll have a race also for people with disability. It will be a 10-kilometer competitive race. We'll also have a 5-kilometer run for those of us who cannot do the 10 kilometers, and as well we'll have the 21.5 kilometers, which is the half marathon. Today also we are joined by the representatives from the Athletics Kenya, who have enabled us to measure the distance and draw the route map, because they're the ones who are entitled to do so, and they already made a presentation. Last year we had a very good turnout. We had about 7,000, and this year we are aiming at least 10,000 participants. And we have activities for those who cannot run. We'll also have activities within the field, activities for keeping fit, Zumba. We'll have activities for yoga. We'll have activities for the children. We'll have a children village. You saw Akili TV with us. So So they are also, preparing for us a village for the young, for the very young people and pre-teens and teenagers. We also have a youth village where we are partnering with the AIDS Healthcare Foundation to have a youth village where our young people can also enjoy. We also having a medical camp. On that day, we'll be screening and treating common morbidities which are prevalent in this city. And we are doing this in all of society, all of government approach, because several government agents have come together with the private and the non-state actors to make this.
Tukosikabusio mwanchu morigeria hunenchiremo yokogendera gukinia chitalanta asa bana bake ande munase chigosori cy'umupira bwa magoro nikubono eligi ya bana bo abake ya chakira senchira ya Venance county ya Machakos ase chitimu gwetane 40 cyanyarko bachiko yarigania hunenchiremo yogo chia kogendera koene kya bana bo ngukinia bale chitalanta cyabo na nemono chingake chiga cy'umutumo iga umutambe bwerusa.
We have begun the FKF Youth Elite League officially with under 13, under 15 and under 17, which is happening at Machakos Showground, and the rest is happening here at Kenyatta Stadium Machakos. The reason why we have begun this league is to really identify and nurture talents right from grassroots, right from the right age. And I want to thank the coaches, I want to thank the parents for giving their children permission to come and showcase their talents.
Ni watoi nimeanza na wao sasa ni mwaka ya pili. Ni watoi wamekuwa wakijikaza sana, wanapenda kucheza ball. So tumeona tuwapatie hiyo platform wajirekebishe kimakosa, tuwarekebishe pia. Alafu tuone mali tutapeleka hiyo talanta yao.
Every kick, every pass, every goal is a score to our young ones. And at the end of the day, we love a success story of having young referees, young coaches, and young TMs. And they all come from these boys and girls. So parents is very important. We encourage this. And through our Excellency, Governor Vinya, he has encouraged us to make sure we pull up and make sure we put our kids on tours, especially now we are on vacation.
Nachezea Kataloni FC. Today tulikuwa na game mbili. Ya kwanza ilikuwa Kataloni versus Olympus, tumetoka 2-0. And the second game we had with Vatican, tumetoka 1-0.
I'm a player from Mbuni Express Soccer Academy located in Machakos. We have come here today to nurture our skills and to develop our talents. Today we've played 5 games in each category, in all categories combined.
Manchumurigaria wikiraguno tuikira mweri obwemesema yakuru ensoko ensa eyamo asobot koboiga gendra kwego kene merubiria gendreta sembeo ye ensoko TV na ndetumira negekoroga chinsa isato tosangaiga negati ya yanda mange nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi haseri bagari ya Felistas Kabendi na Rosemary Wanjakure studio akabere au bene kebuna mario gine chibichango chara senchirengia togo sabaga ndra gutwara burigerio bia.